Now, let me show you how this actually works. First, we create an agent. Give it a name and define its purpose. Then, we set up the brain. We add the system prompt and choose the model configuration. This is where we guide how the agent thinks, how it understands instructions, and how it responds. Once that's done, we move to tools. Tools let the agent connect to your enterprise systems, your data sources, and external platforms. After that, we add skills. Skills are reusable capability modules, KOS. They give the agent specific abilities, like working with files, building interfaces, executing logic, or interacting with data and systems. Now, inside Kogo Agentic OS, instead of writing code, we simply describe what we want. We define the logic, how the workflow should run, how data should be processed, and what output we expect. Then we give it data. The agent analyzes it, understands the structure, and starts building a dashboard automatically. You can see it processing, step by step, turning raw data into something usable. And just like that, the interface is created. Finally, we deploy. You can deploy the agent to the Kogo Agentic OS store, and with one click, others can start using your agent too.